Hi, my name's Imran. I'm one of the co-founders of Kokoro. And today I'm going to take 5 minutes and give you everything you need to know about Kokoro. If you've got any questions, you'll have my email at the end. Just write to me. Good. So why did we build Kokoro? Well, one of the main reasons we built it was because we wanted to do something for busy team leads who are trying to get the best out of themselves and their teams. And secondly, we could not do this unless we provided busy team leads with data so they could build the best environments in which to have the best conversations around performance, learning, and delivery. And out of that, Kokoro was born, and it has become this. It has become a role development tool that really helps teams to create their experience and also have the best conversations and make the best decisions around data and a strength-based approach. What we also do is we really focus on the environment, because we know the best learning and performance happens when the environment is right for the team and the team does not get distracted by trying to fix low performance. Okay? Now that means we had to take a very human approach, and that human approach is all based around these 3 dimensions that make the team experience. Number 1 is belonging. Belonging, as you know, is something key to every human. If you don't have belonging, your brain shuts down. And there are 3 elements of belonging that really matter. Number 1, do I feel important in the team? Am I appreciated for who I am? Secondly, can I become who I want to become? That is within my role, or maybe also as part of a different team, it could be. And thirdly, do I have access to the network this team collaborates with, as well as does it provide me the opportunity to try new things out? The second thing that matters is what they call psychological safety. Now, what trust is to 2 people is psychological safety to the group. And this is what really matters if a team wants to get speed and also increase its learning ability and capacity. And it means that people in the team can ask for help. It means people are able to raise tough topics. It doesn't matter who is in the room, and people can learn collectively and have productive conflict. And finally, when you've got both of these things in place, and you know that this will lead to people's tasks, their challenges, and time to converge, then what you create is a flow state. And in that flow state, lots of things happen. You have this sense of control. You have focus. You know what your next task is. Time doesn't move fast, but it moves almost as if you don't realize it, but you get your things done. And this is what we measure in data and provide back to team leads. So how does that look like when you're working with these 3 dimensions and you are a team lead and or a team? Well, what happens is you get a quick, short survey. Once you've got that, we anonymize that data and throw it back at you instantly, so you've got the data and you can see where you are, so you can start having the conversation and reflecting on what we need to improve and change in the team. What we also do is we have realized that teams don't want extra work, so we build it into your retros and into your meetings. And then team leads can also take that data and use it in their one-to-ones as well with their team members. So how does a retro look like? Well, a retro can look like this. What we have done is we have one feature where we pick a star card, an opportunity card, and a challenge card for you. And then the team in their retros can take those cards and look at what they need to continue, what they have to start thinking about, because it's an opportunity and there's lots of opinions around this area. And finally, there are things that are a raw challenge for the team, and this is very often the things they need to stop. As you can see on the right here, we've got a quick example of what a retro template can look like. And you can do this either every 2 weeks, every 4 weeks, every 8 weeks, and some of our teams do it on a quarterly basis, depending on how they are set up in their organization. Now, that's it. That was a very quick intro to what Kokoro is all about. It's very hands-on, and if you've got any questions, then please do get in contact and I will answer any thoughts, feedback or questions you might have. Once again, a big thank you, and my name was Imran. Take care.